Alright, you guys, in Cracker Barrel, look at all this cool stuff. It does make music, but they do have it off. I want to say this one is 200. Oh my gosh, 200. $200. Which I don't think I ever seen that price in Cracker Barrel, honestly, for 200. Have you? Oh, you shut it off.
I thought I could turn the music on.
No. Now we have the mugs, salt and pepper shakers, a marble tree. There's like no prices. Looks like that one's gonna light up. So maybe like a sneak peek. Not everything's up. And that's 8. And they have like these little homes on the tree. It looks like they're $12.99, still $13. Let me pan out.
Oh, there's no
What a nice tip.
It's cute. Look at these large candles. They're $40 and they do light up. This right here is 100. Really, really nice, actually. Oh, here's another one. Merry Christmas, the Hedgehog. I don't know what mushrooms have to do with Christmas, but they're here. There we go. Got it to turn on. You're gonna get us kicked out of here.
Hey, they hooked it up.
We got the mugs. They're back. Oh, look how cute. This is 10. $10. That's cool. Salt and pepper shakers, and it looks like they're putting up ornaments. So we have like a lot of the syrup and stuff like that. I don't think this turns. Does it turn? Baby's First Christmas. That's $8. Okay, look at all this cool stuff. They do have vintage. Let me. Okay, I can bend down. $2.99 for the vintage. I'm in front, so I can't really like hang out. I don't want to be part of the line. We got hens here. Little cat. Cardinals appear when angels are near. And it looks like Silent Night, Holy Night. That piano is supposed to make noise. We have the Nutcracker down here. So they're still stocking Christmas. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's really pretty. The deers. They always have these deers out. $59.99, $60. And like this large one right here is $80. I feel like it's really early. Am I the only one that feels like it's really early for Christmas? And like behind me we have Halloween, so it's just kind of weird. And that's all they have. Let's see, these are $40. Some outfit tops. Got a little squirrel friend right here. Oh, that's only $20? No way. This whole squirrel figure is $20. That's actually not bad. Pumpkin spice latte. Don't judge each day by the harvest. We got a lot of cute stuff in here. Year of Gratitude, the pumpkin pie. Was it cute? Okay, we got Snoopy in here. These are salt and pepper. Oh shoot. Okay. So the hat is one. Okay. So now I know. I was gonna say, where's the other one? They're $8. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna touch stuff. There's the fall one. Oh, that's a cute sweater. The sweaters are $40. The Great Pumpkin Tea. This one is 18. We have some magnets in here. The gnome. You can find this in TJ Maxx. I'm just letting you know that. It's turkey time. Oh, look at the pig. This year, try ham. They're opposite. That is so funny. My jeans keep telling me no more pie, but my leggings are like, we got you. Oh no, that's why we don't wear leggings. They all feel like that. Got a little turkey squishmallow. That's funny. My family is nuts about me. $13. Oh my gosh, look at these little, what are these called? Suspenders. And you got the little bow tie. My first Thanksgiving. All right. And then over here is just like horses.
Did you see all that Christmas over there?
Yeah. So if you're a horse girly, it is out. There's some more Christmas over here. So scoot. Oh wow, look at that. These are lanterns, probably. They're lanterns. They're light up molds. They're gonna be 20. So it has Santa Claus. You have the deer, a shopping cart. We have the trees here. And you got the gingerbread tree. These are 10. Santa on the ladder. They're decorating. They're getting ready. And looks like this tree is a tiny one. Let me pan out. Like these large gumdrops. $3.99. Milk for Santa. Does this turn?
Yeah.
Look at Santa on the ice skates. We got the coffee. These are $5.99. Merry Christmas. They're just like, they're not stretchy, so they're not to wear. That is just like so cool, right? There's that one that moves up and down. Look at the gingerbread man. He is riding with Santa. So they don't have the prices out, but I feel like they're going to do it soon because they have over there in the corner boxes everywhere. What did he say? How long they're going to put it out?
Oh, Christmas?
Son of a Nutcracker. Look at this one. That is really cute. And then I like this tree here too. And look, you want dinosaur. Most of their salt and pepper shakers are like 99 cents. They have a gingerbread in here too. The cat and dog. So if you do like these cat and dogs, you could definitely check out the at-home store because they have cat and dog gingerbread. And there's the gingerbread people right there. How much are these? Should I pick one up? Is it heavy? She does light up. Oh.
35.
35. And then one has the tree. We have light bulbs, salt and pepper shakers, musical Christmas tree. It's a book, so I'm pretty sure when you open up the pages, this one is really cute. This one caught my eye too. I love it. I love that one. And these are all like feeling a bit lightheaded. That's so funny. All I want for Christmas is a man made of dough. Moolah dough or dough? Like the Pillsbury. We want a man made of moolah dough. Santa's cutest elf. Some aprons. There's like little kid outfits here. Then some socks. Shoes. Snoopy blow mold. A lot of Grinch. You serious, Clark? Oh fudge, you know, that's like my favorite part, you know, where the mom is just so mean to him on the phone. But it's so funny because she like snitched.
Dies.
Yeah.
He's like, it fades out.
It's so funny. Oh, these are the ones where you look at the lights. They're $2.25. Gingerbread house. What is that? Do they open? It's a two-piece?
Like
I'm not too sure. Oh, look at that penguin. So cute. Alright, you guys. That is it for Christmas so far. And of course, I still have Halloween in here. Plenty of Halloween. Then over here is like calico critters. My daughter used to collect those. Over, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in Cracker Barrel. But, I mean, take a look in your Cracker Barrel. I'm pretty sure I'm going to give them about another week. But that whole corner back there, it is filled with boxes. So He says it's gonna take a while and they're just pushing it out. I do think it's really early. Just because, like, it's just crazy to me. Like, my months are just all combining now. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.